Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Most of the people are mining Tari recently, so let's dig it further information for you. The first perfect miner is SRBMiner Multi. Very high dev fee, but it works perfect with AMD and NVIDIA graphic cards. In a few days, we have a new version for SRBMiner Multi to fix Tari on AMD Vega graphic cards and NVIDIA graphic cards. We can use this miner for AMD and NVIDIA graphic cards and it works perfectly. In a week, RigelMiner has support Tari mining with very good dev fee. It's only this. And RigelMiner has a new version for dual mining. You can mine this coins plus Tari. RigelMiner is only for NVIDIA graphic cards, not for AMD graphic cards. So, SRBMiner Multi has a new version with lower dev fee. It's here. So, the dev fee is lower than RigelMiner. RigelMiner is only for NVIDIA graphic cards. SRBMiner Multi is for AMD and NVIDIA graphic cards. And today, lolMiner released a new beta version for Tari. It's for only AMD graphic cards and the dev fee is very good here. So you cannot use lolMiner for NVIDIA graphic cards. In this video we will check SRBMiner and lolMiner for AMD graphic cards. If you don't have a wallet address, it's not too late. Just check the video details. I will put a link for mobile wallet installation and usage information. So you can. If you don't have a wallet address for Tari, just check the video details for the link. You will learn how to install for mobile wallet and you will get the wallet address and you need it for mining. You can directly mining to the mobile wallet address. It's very safe option. And this is a second option. You can directly mining to the exchange wallet address. But I prefer to mobile wallet address. Okay. Just click balances here. Type XTM in the search bar and click deposit address. When at this address, just click copy. We will not use regular address plus payment ID. We need integrated address. We have Tari mobile wallet address or exchange wallet address. Just go to the wallet section at HiveOS, click add wallet button, type here XTM, select it, just paste the wallet address and give a name. Here mobile wallet or exchange address. Just click create button. All done. I've already told about how to set up for SRBMiner and RigelMiner, and I will tell how you set up lolMiner in this video. If you need for RigelMiner or SRBMiner, just check the video details for the links. Okay, let's go to flat sheet at HiveOS. Coin XTM wallet. Select the wallet you have created previously. Pool, lucky pool. I'm in Europe. And miner. You will not see lolMiner here. Just type here lolMiner, show all, and here. Click static miner config. You will see the algorithm here. We need wallet, worker name. Just cut it and paste it here. Pool server, port, and password, and the version is 1.196. Apply changes. Now give it a name and lolMiner. Just all of this. Now click create flagship button. All done. Let's talk about overclock settings and hashrate informations for SRBMiner and lolMiner. It's compression, guys. This rig uses SRBMiner, the latest version, and the graphic cards AMD RX 6600, 8 GB. And my overclock settings for this graphic cards here. Just use this settings for your graphic cards, and the hash rate very good. Okay, let's try lolMiner. Rocket icon. We will use the same overclock settings, and we will see which miner is very good for the Tari. And remote access, how shall start? I want to see the shell screen also. It has just started, so go to shell screen and type miner and enter. So there's no problem here. Go to rig screen. Oh, a little bit more hash rate at lolMiner. In this type, we have to check the dev fee. SRBMiner multi dev fee here, but lolMiner has a higher dev fee here. You can decide which one to use. I didn't calculate properly, but I think it's the same for two miners because the dev fee. You can use both of them. lolMiner and SRBMiner are perfect for Tari mining. So, what do you think about it? lolMiner, SRBMiner? SRBMiner has a lower dev fee. lolMiner has higher dev fee, but lolMiner gives a better hash rate